Students, in previous grammar session we learned about sentences. Do you know what is meant by sentences? Do you remember? A group of words which make complete sense means sentences. Remember, no? Now in this session we are going to learn about the types of sentences. Okay? See, sentences. Sentences, when we think about sentences, we can make the four main types of the sentences. First one is statements. Second one is interrogative. Third one is imperative. And fourth one is exclamatory type of sentences. Students, what is mean by statements? Okay, see, says or states something. A type of sentences, that is, first one is statements. Statements means what? Says or states something. A very simple sentence means statements. For example, I like watermelons. This sentence says that watermelon is favorite fruit of mine. Very simple sentence is the example of statements. Understood what is meant by statements? Statements says or states something. Okay? Starts with capital letter, ends with full stop. Understood? Now turn towards the next type. Next type is interrogative sentences. What? Interrogative sentences means what? This type of sentences ask something. Means, in short, we can say that interrogative sentences means sentences of questions. What is your name? This is one example of interrogative sentence. Who are you? What is your name? Where do you live? And many more examples of interrogative sentences. Understood? See, interrogative sentences starts with capital letter, WH words or auxiliary verb, or ends with question mark. Ends with question mark. Okay? Now turn towards the third type of sentences, that is imperative sentences. In imperative sentences, there are some subtypes that are request, commands or gives direction. All these subtypes included in one, that is imperative sentences. Okay. Request means when we take permission for something politely, very politely, that considered in request. See, please give it to me. Please give it to me. This is example of type of request related to the imperative sentences. Okay. Next subtype is commands. Commands means order. Suppose stand up, go there, sit down. When officers, when teachers, when our bosses use command to us, that include in commands type of imperative sentences. Next one is gives directions, means suggest something, like take the medicines regularly, write properly, listen carefully. All these are type of gives direction related to the type of imperative sentences. Now the last fourth one, main type of sentences is exclamatory sentences. In that, what happens? We expresses a strong feelings or emotions. When we saw any beautiful flower, what we say? Spontaneously we say that, wow. We say like that, no? This is our strong expression or strong expression or feelings. When we feel happy, we say like that, wow, yeah, come on, like that. Okay. Now, this is an example. What a beautiful picture it is. This is a example of exclamatory sentences. Starts with capital word, capital letter and ends with exclamatory mark. This is a mark of exclamation. Okay. Now, in short, again we will revise. Sentences divided into statements, interrogative, imperative and exclamatory sentences. Statements says or states something. See the difference. Interrogative, ask something. These sentences says something, this ask something. In imperative there are subtypes. Request, commands and gives direction. Okay. And exclamatory means what? A strong feeling or emotion. Understood? I will send this picture to you. You have to write in your notebook. Okay? Thank you.